I can see Huzaifa has given me a thumbs up.
दीदी हिस्ट्री है,
Yes, history
आपने
है.
बोला आरसी.
Sorry, गलती से ग्रुप में टाइप कर दिया था RC, but we have our history class today. And if you would have seen the pre-work, that was also history pre-work. Okay. All right, guys. We will start with the class. Okay. Can someone tell me what are the rules of our class? What is the norm of our class? What is the norm of our class? I want you guys to raise your hand. Miss Ba, can you go ahead and explain us the norm of our class? Yes.
We have to keep our camera on, keep our mic on mute, and message or chat on. Do not chat on group except for it is necessary. Second, raise your hand before speaking. Give a thumbs up if you are ready or for anything we ask.
Voice is breaking. Breaking voice.
Yeah. I know, Joseph. Let her complete. Hi, Krishna. It's so nice to see you. Okay, Miss Ba. Miss Ba, your voice is breaking. Didi is just going to repeat what you said, okay? So, Miss Ba said that, is that okay, Miss Ba? Is that okay if Didi repeats what you just said? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. So, Miss Ba said that we have to keep our cameras on. We have to keep our cameras on. We have to keep ourselves on mute. We have to chat whenever Didi is asking you to. Okay, not unnecessary chat. You have to raise your hand every time you want to answer. You have to give us a thumbs up when Didi asks you to. And if you like somebody's answer, you can clap for it. Okay, these are the norms of our class, guys. Everybody should remember this thing. Okay, Joseph, like Didi said, you are not going to chat unnecessarily. Okay, we started the class now. Let's focus on the class. Okay, be ready with your history notebook and pen. Okay, we are going to start with the class. How many of you were able to do the pre-work? How many of you were able to do the pre-work? Didi had asked you to watch a video. How many of you were able to watch that video? How many of you were able to watch that video? Okay, Sanya is giving me a thumbs up. Farzana, Faizan. Okay, you guys are giving me a thumbs up. All right. Misbah is saying not me. Okay, guys. So we will watch this video together again. Samya Didi, can you play the video for all of us?
I want to say something.
Yes, go ahead, Misbah.
I will have to leave before time because I have to go to a dentist. My root has leave my teeth. So I have to remove that teeth. Okay.
All right. Okay. That's okay, Misbah. All right. Thank you. If something like this happens, please message before the class so Didi is prepared. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Okay, guys. Now, three things that you will notice in this. Two things that you will notice is what is happening in this video, and the second one is that which are the famous empires or dynasties that you can spot. Okay, two things. First one is what is happening exactly in this video, and the second one is which are the empires or dynasties that you can see, you can spot. Just that, these two things. Okay. All right. We are going to start with the video. can we pause this video for a second? Thank you. Can we move on to the last 3 minutes of this video?
Last 3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes, yeah.
Okay. As in, you want me to take it ahead, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we can stop at, 8:20 is also fine. We can stop there.
Okay. Yes, is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just start.
There's no volume.
Can I increase the volume?
Also, let's go thoda behind. Let's go at 7.
Okay.
Thank you, Soumya.
Yeah, I'll play.
Yes, please.
हेडफोन है मम्मा क्या था क्या देखो
What does it take to get your master shot? Sometimes a journey of a...
Yes. Arzu, you're on mute.
Correct. Thank you. Now we are going to stop this thing there, and I'm going to ask you what was happening in the video. What are some of the things that you
Didi, your voice is breaking.
is it better now? Can you hear me guys better?
Video.
No, we can't hear you. Tick tick happening.
Yes, दीदी टिक टिक हो रहा है.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes,
All right. To tell us that 3 things that you noticed in the video. Any random 3 things that you were noticing in the video. What was happening in the video? Huzef, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself and answer, and then I will come to Sanya and Shifa. Yes.
दीदी सब कैप्चर कर रहे थे जैसे शिवाजी और तानाजी वो सब.
Amazing. So Shivaji and Tanaji were 2. Who were this? Shivaji and Tanaji?
capturing the India.
Yes, they were capturing India, but what are they called? Think, okay, Joseph. Think what are they called? I know you know the answer. I will come back to you in a minute time. Okay, I'm going to go to Sanya. Sanya, what else could you see?
दीदी वहाँ पे ना मैप था और मैप
English, Sanya, English. Try and speak in English, Baba.
there is a map and there were so many names are there and
Yes.
and at the side of the screen that there some numbers are screening and decrease
Okay.
and there are so many names are there.
Correct. There were so many names. The numbers were increasing and decreasing. Okay. Can you identify why the numbers were increasing? I'm sure it was not decreasing but increasing. So what was that number? The number was increasing. What was that number? Think. Okay, Sanya. I'll come back to you again. Joseph and Sanya, you have a thinking question. Think. I will come back to you. Shifa, what else did you observe? Guys, you can also type it in the chat box and Didi is going to ask. Yes. Yes.
There is map and written name inside box, and
Yes.
there is some images, and after the image there is some colors, and the map has that colors like this is the name, that area of this one, like that is the
Very good. Amazing. Pat on your back, Shifa. You guessed it right. The names are being put in the side of the screen.
Didi, your voice is breaking.
That person had.
Arzu, your voice is breaking slightly.
Oh my God.
No, Didi.
Okay. Is it any better now?
Yes.
Yes.
But
Yeah, I'm really sorry, guys. I don't know what's wrong with Didi's speaker. Okay, let's come back. So yeah, Shifa, you guessed it right. जो names side में pop हो रहे थे, those names only had captured these areas. So if you would have seen purple was for one person, orange was for another person. Okay, so that way you are right. Okay, I'm going to come to Misbah and then I will come to Ilma and Mehek. Yes. Go ahead, Misbah. Unmute yourself.
Video was showing that how the earth has distributed in a different parts, like someone captured it and then it converted India and Pakistan.
Yes, correct. Okay. Yeah.
Sometimes in दीदी पहले सब लोग उसमें महाराजा राजा तो उसका धीरे धीरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनते गए. पहले शिवाजी महाराज सब लोग पहले उन लोग मराठा वो सब बोलते थे. तानाजी है शिवाजी को उन लोग उसके बाद उनकी डेथ हुई उसके बाद धीरे धीरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर में हुआ.
Okay. Okay.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर में कन्वर्ट हुआ.
Voice is cracking a lot. I will repeat what you just said for all your friends.
Yes.
Misbah, and try to fix your earphone somehow because it's making a lot of noise. Okay. So Misbah was saying that initially वहाँ पे मराठा एम्पायर था, वहाँ पे तानाजी और शिवाजी थे, वो मर गए, फिर कोई और आया, and then we had the prime minister, and then India was divided into Pakistan and India. Very good observation. All of that is correct. Okay, good job, Misbah. All right. Anybody else who has Ilma and Mehek, and then I will come to Habu. Yes, Ilma and Mehek. What was your observation? Ilma and Mehek, what did you observe in the video? What was happening in the video? Mehek, we can't hear you properly. Try to fix your I will come to Habu. Yes, Ilma. I will come to Habib until Ilma fixes her voice issue. Okay, yes, Habib. Go ahead, tell me.
Miss, I can observe that
the India is like a fort and the British and अलग अलग टाइप के एम्पायर लोग ने कब्जा करे फिर मिस नेक्स्ट एम्पायर इज कमिंग एंड उनको मार के फिर उन लोग ने कब्जा करे.
Very good. So there was a lot of killing.
Emperor.
Yes, emperors used to kill, and then new emperors used to come, and they used to capture. कब्जा करना मतलब capture करना.
Also,
Correct?
your voice is again cracking. Your voice is again cracking.
Okay. Is it better now or no?
No.
No, me.
From my phone as well.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll wait for 1 minute. Okay, Arzu Didi will fix her audio problem.
दीदी आवाज बहुत टिक टिक हो रही है.
Yes, Arzu Didi is fixing it. Until then, we are going to reflect on the question which Arzu Didi has put on the screen, which is what made these empires or dynasties powerful. Okay, so think about whatever empires you saw, which kings captured the land. What do you feel? What made the empires of those kings powerful, or what made their dynasties powerful? Okay, we saw throughout the video, we saw a lot of dynasties, right? We saw a lot of empires. You know, yes, yeah, we saw a lot of empires. So what made them powerful? Okay, we'll think about it for 1 minute till Arzu Didi fixes her audio. Okay, and then we'll discuss it.
Okay, I think I'm back. Can you guys hear me better?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh wow, amazing. Amazing. Okay. So my question to all of you is, what do you think made this dynasties and empire better? Thank you so much, Soumya, for explaining that to the kids. Amazing. Yes, please raise your hands and Didi will come to you. What do you think made these empires powerful? Yes, Ilma and Mehek, you guys have raised your hand. I'm going to ask you to answer. Go ahead, Ilma and Mehek. Please unmute yourself. अभी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
I can hear you, Arzu. Can
Sabah?
you please? Yes.
Yeah, Sabah, I think it's your phone's issue. Can you log out and sign in again? Okay, वापस join करो, rejoin करो. Okay, all right. Next, I want Ilma and Mehek can't hear me. I guess I'm going to ask Shifa to unmute herself and answer. Then I'll come to Farzana. I can see her raising her hand. Yes.
Didi, how much how much land they had more powerful.
Okay, so you are saying having land made them powerful. Amazing point. Okay, I think Habib, I did not understand what you typed. Can you unmute yourself and tell me?
Miss, I can tell that कि इन लोग को powerful इन लोग की army बनाता है.
Okay, amazing. Powerful army makes them powerful. Shifa says land makes them powerful. Misbah says capturing places. मतलब दूसरी नई place को capture करेंगे तो that will make them powerful. Good job. Very good responses. Think hard. Guys, what else could make them powerful? I can see Misbah has raised her hand. No, Misbah already answered. I want Farzana to unmute herself and answer कि ये सब empires को, ये सब emperors को कौन empires और dynasties को कौन powerful बनाता है? Army, land, capturing, what else could make them powerful?
Army ने powerful बनाए.
किसने?
Army
ने. All right. Anything else? Anybody else has a different answer?
दीदी
Guys,
आप तो
think.
बारिश हुई नेशन में.
Okay, I don't think I can say more loudly than this. But can you hear me better now, Farzana?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay. Who else can help me with identifying what makes these empires powerful? और नौशीन, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself and think कि कौन ये empire को क्या और powerful बनाता होगा? Yes.
What was the question?
ये empire, ये जो हमने empires देखे, ये हमने जो kingdoms देखे, उनको powerful कौन बनाता होगा? Who makes these empires powerful? Faizan, you're going to send it to me in the private chat, okay, Faizan? You can't send it in public. Yes, Nausheen. सोचो, एक बड़ा सा kingdom है, okay? Imagine big kingdom. वो kingdom को कौन powerful बनाता है?
King.
Amazing. Very good job. Very good, Nausheen. सबसे important होता है king, okay? क्योंकि king ही army बनाता है, king ही अपने land को capture करता है, king ही teamwork करता है, rules बनाता है, environment बनाता है, okay? Very good, amazing. So the king is the right answer. King को दूसरे word में क्या बोल सकते हैं? What could be a different word for king? I want someone who has not answered to think of this question. Zainab Kausar, can you please unmute yourself? King का दूसरा word क्या हो सकता है? What could be a different word for king? Zainab Kausar, can you please unmute yourself and answer?
Good.
Krishna and Gulshan, I can see you on my screen. Can you please unmute yourself and say king ka dusra word, any other word except for king that you think can be used here?
Good.
Sorry?
Miss Raja.
Raja,
Raja.
amazing. Can you try to use a different word in English? English, Krishna. Misbah, I want you to think of a English word. Very good. Ilma and Mehek, whoever answered that, that is correct. Leader, okay? Leader. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are going to quickly think, put our thinking caps on and think, okay, what are we going to think? According to you, what did these powerful leaders do, think and believe? वो एक्शन में क्या करते थे, वो क्या सोचते थे और वो क्या बिलीव करते थे? ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव 3 minutes to draw this table in your notebook and write down what do you think the leader, the king used to do. उनके क्या एक्शंस होते थे, वो क्या सोचते थे और वो क्या बिलीव करते थे? Everybody, you have 3 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. And if you want to answer, you're going to type it in the private chat box. And you're going to send it to Didi. Yeah.
Yeah, also guys, you can see a lot of you are not sitting in a smart position. I don't want to take names, but if you're not sitting in a smart position, if you're slouching, sleeping, please make sure you're sitting in a smart position. Okay, all right. Yeah, sorry.
Yes. No problem. Thank you. Okay, guys, your time starts now. I want everybody to sit in their smart position and start. Krishna and Gulshan, you're going to start writing. Okay, this is your writing time. Your time starts now. Okay, I can see that Zainab has started writing. I can see Sanya is writing. I can see Shifa, Misbah, Nausheen, Sabah is writing. I can see Huzaif has started writing. Farzana and Zoya is writing. Ilma and Mehek, I believe you've started writing. Zoha, please try to come on time. Okay, Zoha. What we are... Yes.
मिस हम लोग को क्या लिखना है?
आपको ये स्क्रीन पे टेबल दिख रहा है? कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन? यस, यू हैव टू राइट अभी जो लीडर्स के बारे में वी स्पोक, व्हाट डू अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आपके हिसाब से वो लीडर्स क्या करते हैं, उनके क्या एक्शंस होते हैं, क्या सोचते होंगे वो लीडर्स और वो क्या बिलीव करते होंगे? ओके, या आपके हिसाब से यू हैव टू फिल द टेबल. ओके, Zoha, does that make sense to you as well? Did you understand what Didi said? Oh, okay, amazing. Please start writing, guys. All right, Mehak Khan. Okay. I can see that Krishna and Zoha have also started writing. Zoha, I want you to start writing. Complete this table in your book. I can see Zaid is writing. Aisha is writing. Amazing. I can see Mustaqim is writing. I can see Farzana is writing. Good job, guys. If you still have a doubt, Didi is here only. You can ask her. 2 minutes now. Start writing. What do you think the leaders are doing? Actions उनके क्या होते हैं? वो क्या सोचते हैं? What do they think? And the last one is what do they believe? कौन सी values में वो लोग believe करते हैं? Okay. For example, just an example. This you can't write it in your notebook. ठीक है? Kindness. For example, one leader believes in a lot of kindness, so that is a value. वैसी कौन सी वैल्यू में ये लीडर्स बिलीव करते होंगे? यू हैव टू राइट दैट डाउन अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आपके हिसाब से.
Also, I think Zoha has a question. She's been raising her hand. Yes, Zoha.
Yes, Zoha, go ahead.
Didi, my voice
Yes.
is coming.
Yes, your voice is coming. I can hear you.
Didi, that you showed a picture for what action leaders are doing.
What?
Think about ourselves and that now. You showed a picture that
Yes.
The leaders what are doing.
No, I
Okay,
did not
okay.
show a picture. I showed a video where the map, India's map was changing. Now we are talking about leaders. So you just have to guess that what the leaders used to do in action, what they used to think, and what they used to believe. You just have to guess. There is no video or picture that I've shown. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Huzef, you're raising your hand. Yes, Huzef, please unmute yourself and answer. Sorry. Ask.
थर्ड वाले में क्या करना है?
थर्ड वाले में बिलीव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी दीदी ने कहा कि यू डोंट हैव टू राइट दिस इन योर बुक. ओके, लेकिन अगर इफ अ लीडर बिलीव्स इन द वैल्यू ऑफ काइंडनेस, काइंडनेस इज अ वैल्यू. ओके, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पहले के टाइम के किंग बहुत काइंड होते थे, तो उन लोग काइंडनेस वैल्यू को बहुत मानते थे. दे यूज्ड टू बिलीव इन इट. दैट वे यू हैव टू थिंक कि वो टाइम पे व्हाट वैल्यूज डिड दीज किंग्स हैव. ओके, amazing. Okay, guys, one more minute and then we are going to come back in the large group and share. And I'm already asking. Okay, so Zainab Kausar, Sabba, and Mustaqim are going to share their responses. So be ready, Zainab Kausar, Sabba, and Mustaqim. And then randomly I'll ask one more person. If you are done, give me a thumbs up. If you are done, give me a thumbs up so that I know you guys are done. Yes, Joseph, you have raised your hand again. Please unmute yourself and ask. No? Okay.
Didi.
All right. All right, Krishna and Gulshan are done. Thank you so much. Waiting for a few more thumbs ups and then we will move on. Okay, Farzana is done. Amazing. I can see Zoya is still. Zoya, are you sure you are understanding? Do you have a doubt, Zoya? No? Are you sure? Okay, amazing. All right, I can see Habib has raised his hand. Habib, do you want to come off mute and ask whatever? Ho gaya. All right, thumbs up you're giving. Okay, Nausheen, you have raised your hand too. Do you have a doubt or you're just giving me a thumbs up?
Didi, I am telling and then.
Okay, amazing. Done. Miss Bai, you have raised your hand. Are you done or you have a doubt?
Did I want to tell what I want to write? I have
Okay.
write.
Okay, you've written whatever you have written. I will give you a chance to. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Baba. All right. The three people that I picked. Okay, so I see most of you not understanding. Ilma, what are you not understanding? And Shifa, what are you not understanding? Can you please tell me which part of this you're not understanding? It's okay. Unmute yourself. Shifa, unmute yourself.
Didi,
Yeah.
I did not understand what I wanted to write.
Okay, so next time if this happens, you are not going to wait for Didi to ask the answer. You're going to directly ask before that. Okay. All right. So what are we going to do is we are just going to think how are the kings or the leaders during that time. We are going to think what they used to do, actions. We are going to think what they used to think, their thoughts and ideas. And the third one is what they used to believe in, their values. For example, I think that in the previous time, kindness was something that a lot of kings or leaders have had, and that was their value. So it's the same way. What do you think? Okay, does that make sense? Next time, please ask me beforehand. Okay, amazing. Thank you so much. Also, one more person had a doubt, I feel. Ilma and Mehek, were you able to understand what Didi just explained? Done. Okay, amazing. All right. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Wow, some of you have shared really brilliant answers. I'm just going to ask Zainab Kausar, can you please unmute yourself and share in the large group? What do you think?
Didi, I think they
Yeah.
believe in respect.
They believe respect. Amazing. Okay, what they used to think?
That's the idea.
Okay.
They would think that we have to develop in our kingdom and village so that anyone don't have any problem.
Perfect. Good job. And what they used to do?
If there is a problem, so
Hmm.
who is the man who create the problem? The king takes a strict action against him.
Very good. Good job, Zainab. You did really well. Okay, good job. Yes, I can see Shifa has a doubt and Misbah wants to answer. I have already given a few people a chance to answer, so I'll come back to you. Shifa, do you have a doubt?
No, Didi, I want to answer.
Okay, then you will have to wait. Okay, I'll come back to you. Zainab, where is Zainab? No, Sabah. Sabah, can you please unmute yourself and answer? Go ahead. Mustaqim, be ready, okay, in the meantime. Yes,
They
Zainab.
used to do. They
Hmm.
see the villagers are happy.
Hmm.
They think that how I make villagers don't fight because of religions.
Amazing. Very
Believe
nice. Hmm.
believe respect every religion.
Very good. Very nice. Respect every religion. Do that make everybody happy. Very good. Very nice. All right. Sabah, very good job. Pat on your back. Okay, for this. Sorry. Okay. The last one is going to be Mustaqim. Mustaqim, go ahead and share. Mustaqim, waiting for you to unmute yourself. And then I will share the ones who have shared in the I'm just going to say it out loud. The answers for some of you who have shared in the chat. Yes, Mustaqim. I can see that you have unmuted yourself. I don't think we can hear you, Mustaqim. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah. Yes, Mustaqim.
Didi, I have right. Do activity.
Is that
Do-
Mustaqim who's talking?
No,
Huzaif?
Didi.
No, that's
No,
Joseph.
wait. It's Mustaqim's turn, Huzaif. We will wait for our friend to respond. Okay. I really appreciate that you have done your table so beautifully, but I'm just going to wait for Mustaqim to respond. And if not, then I'm going to ask Zaid Moomin to sit in his smart position and share because he's sitting in the classroom. Yes. I can't hear Mustaqim. Zaid Moomin, can you please unmute yourself, keep your camera on and respond? Yes, Zaid. Did you complete your table, Zaid? Yes, can you please unmute and share your table?
Didi, actions में capture, they go and capture and they give punishment to everyone who is bad and thinking ideas में to capture any port and
Very good.
town and to be strict
Very good.
to everyone and believe में happiness and kindness.
Very good. Okay. All right. So he also highlighted one of the points that they would think of how can we capture. Okay, that's a very good point. All right. With that, I know a lot of you have raised your hand, but we are very short of time. I really appreciate Misbah, Shifa, Sania, Habib, Faizan, Huzef, all of you who are ready with your answers. I know that you guys have understood the concept and Didi really appreciates. Also Farzana. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to, in interest of time, I'm going to move on, but we are going to share these tables on WhatsApp with Didi. Okay, please remember to send these tables so I can go through it and understand what you guys were thinking. Thank you so much, Afsana, for giving me a thumbs up. Nosheen has already sent me the picture on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, Nosheen. Really appreciate it. Okay, we are going to move on. Okay, now what are some of the things that you're noticing in this map? This is the map of India before the time of Shivaji. Now, does anybody want to tell me who was Shivaji? Does anybody remember who Shivaji was? I'm going to ask someone who has not responded. Zoya Zafar, can you please unmute yourself and answer who you think is Shivaji? Yes, Zoya. Unmute yourself.
Shivaji was a leader of a kingdom and a Mughal empire.
Mughal Empire. He was a leader of the kingdom. Amazing. Perfect answer. Empire. Mughal Empire, not too sure. Okay, Zoya. But the first one was right. I'm going to ask Habib to unmute himself and continue.
I think
He was what?
emperor
He was an emperor. Okay. Of India.
And captured the all forts
Yes. He captured all the forts. But who? Leader of which empire? No, not Mughal.
Shivaji Maharaj.
Shivaji Maharaj, correct. Okay. Sabha is already answered, so I'm just going to read it out. Okay, Maratha Empire. Very good, Sabha. Amazing. All right, Maratha Empire. He was the leader of the Maratha Empire. Okay, good job. Thank you so much for responding, Sabha. All right. Now, can you see different leaders on this map? Can you see that Didi has highlighted a few leaders on this map? Can one of you come off mute and tell me? I'm going to ask Vivek to come off mute and tell me which are the leaders that have been highlighted in this map. Leaders, okay guys, leaders. Fardeen and Vivek, I'm going to ask you to unmute and respond. The rest of you, please type it in the chat box and send it to Didi quickly. I'm waiting, okay? Vivek and Fardeen, please come off mute. Oh wow, Nosheen wants to answer. Nosheen, can you unmute yourself and answer?
Didi, I am telling what was the question.
The question is, on this map, can you spot leaders, and can you name them? Nosheen, you need some time to think. Okay, take your time. Okay, I am going to ask. Okay, you guys, all of you are sending me the empires. You are not sending me the leaders. Misbah, Zoha, you guys are sending me empires, not leaders. Leader to naam hota hai. Can you see the leaders? Faizan, can you come off mute and share? Okay, you sent it to me on WhatsApp. Yes, yes.
Govind 3.
Govind 3, very good.
Rajendra 1.
Rajendra 1, good job. और कौन है लीडर?
पृथ्वीराज चौहान.
Very good, amazing. Okay, so you can see guys here Prithviraj Chauhan ये leader है. All right, he's a leader. Raja Raj and Rajendra 1 is a leader. Okay, can you see one more leader? Can you spot one more leader?
Gurjar.
Gurjar, okay. And here is Govind 3. All of these are leaders. Now, can you tell me empires? Wait, okay, Faizan, I'm going to ask someone else to spot the empires. I'm going to ask Krishna to unmute himself and spot the empires on this map. Faizan has already spotted the leaders. Now I want you to spot the empires. Okay. Good job. Now you are giving the right answers, everybody. Very nice, Zoha. Very good, Misbah. Very good, Sabah. Empires that you can see. Krishna, can you please unmute yourself and answer? Krishna, we have to pay attention in the classroom. Yes, go ahead, Krishna.
Okay.
Can't hear you.
This answer is
Yeah.
MUGHALS.
MUGHA.
ALS.
Mughals. All right. Thank you so much for answering, Krishna. Mughals is one of the empires. Okay. The rest of you have shared Turks, Afghans, Arabs. What else? There are a few more empires, guys. Anybody who wants to answer, I'm going to ask someone who has not answered in the chat box. Zainab Kausar, can you please unmute yourself and answer? Hello, Iram and Zoya. Yes. Zainab, can you please unmute yourself?
Arab, Turks.
Yes, Arab, Turks.
Afghan.
Okay. Afghans, Mughals, anything except for that? Any empire except for that? Any empire or dynasty except for that? I'm going to ask Shifa, can you please unmute yourself and see if you can spot any empire or dynasty except for these four?
Didi, this map?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Shifa. No? Okay. Can you see? Huh?
Answer.
Who's that?
Zainab.
Yes, Zainab. Tell me.
Dynasty Govind 3.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So that's a dynasty too. All right. Okay. Here is a dynasty. Rakshakutta dynasty. Okay. Here is a dynasty. Pal dynasty. Here is an empire. No, again a dynasty and again a dynasty. Okay. All right. Chola, Pal, Gurkha. Yes, Misbah, those are dynasty. Good job, Zoya, Zafar as well. Good job, Sabah. You guys are correct. Okay. Now we are going to, yes, correct. Chola dynasty. Good job. All right. So you have guessed. Abhi, these were some of the dynasties that were already there in India. But what do you think are these white arrows? What are these white arrows? Does someone want to guess what are these white arrows? What are these white arrows? These white arrows, why are they not inside India? Why are they kept outside India and they're white arrows? What does that mean? I am
Want to answer.
okay. Please unmute yourself and answer.
Can I answer?
Go ahead. Yes.
Yes, because they captured India.
They captured India. Very good. Were they a part of India?
No.
No. Amazing. Good job. Pat on your back, Zainab. Okay. They were not a part of India. Mughals, Afghans, Turks, and Arabs, they were not a part of India. They came from outside India and they captured India. Okay. Now, when someone comes from outside India and captures India, that is called basically invasion. What is it called? Invasion, where there is an entry which is not welcomed into another country or region with an armed force. Means they come from outside somewhere into someone else's country with army, a big army, and they capture that place. That is called invasion. Guys, I want everybody to take a minute and quickly write down this definition. Invasion ka definition, can you see on the top of the screen? I want you to take 1 minute and quickly write this down, and also make a table at the bottom. Can you see a table that Didi has drawn? Power, Arabs, Turks, Afghans. Make that table as well. Take 3 minutes and do that. Your time starts now. Okay, for those of you who didn't hear me, you are going to write down the definition of invasion, and you are also going to make this table that is made on the screen. You have 3 minutes. Your time starts now. Faizan, you have raised your hand. Do you have a question? Faizan and Misbah? No? Okay. Yes. Yes, Zainab. Soumya, is my voice breaking?
No, your voice is not breaking. Zainab, there must be some problem with your audio, Baba. I think you should leave and join again.
Okay, leave and join again, Zainab, if you can't hear Didi properly. Okay, I can see that. Yeah, I want you to start writing. I can see Shifa has started writing, Misbah has started writing, Zoha, Nosheen, Habib, Iram, Huzef, you're not going to sit, you're going to start writing, Baba. Okay?
दीदी
All right. Yes.
फॉर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स के लिए कितने लाइन छोड़ने हैं?
2 lines should be enough. 2 to 3 lines should be enough. Okay? For each of these powers, so for example, अगर हम start कर रहे हैं, we are starting off with Arabs. Leave 3 lines after Arabs and then write Turks. Okay? 3 lines. I can see that Nosheen is writing. I can see Zoha is writing. I can see Iram is writing. Amazing. Good job, guys. For those of you who I can't see, I hope you guys are writing. Yeah, Zoya, Zafar, Aisha, Imran, Mustaqim, Fardeen and Vivek, Ilma and Mehek, I want you to please write this down in your notebook quickly. Okay, once you are done, give me a thumbs up so that I know you guys are done. Shifa, we are not going to talk to anybody while we are in the class. Okay. Good job, Sabah. After this, we are going to do a very interesting activity. So I want you to quickly write this down, okay? I will explain the table to everybody, Habib. Okay, at this point, I just want you to write down quickly. Shifa is done. Amazing, Shifa. Waiting for you guys to quickly write down. Farzana is done. Amazing, Farzana. Ilma and Mehek are done. Amazing. No, we don't have to write the answer, Zoya. We just have to write down the definition and draw the table and be ready. Okay, Zoya is done too. Amazing, Zoya. I can see Sabah, Huzef are still writing. Iram is still writing. Zoha is done. Amazing, Zoha. I can see Zainab is still writing. I can see Sanya, Shifa. No, Shifa is done. Misbah is still writing. Okay. Nasreen, are you done writing? Misbah is done. Amazing. All right. Okay. Yes, Misbah.
Didi, uh, Didi, I will have to leave.
All right. Okay, Misbah. Take notes from someone else. Okay. Take it from one of your friend. Okay.
Didi, send the link of YouTube. You put the
Yes.
videos on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I'll send it to you. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Zainab. Okay, Zainab is done writing. I can see that most of you are done writing. Huzef, are you done writing, Baba? Are you done writing? Huzef? Okay. Aisha, are you done writing? Aisha Imran? Done. Okay, amazing. Okay, okay. All of you are done. What we are going to do is, okay. Now, I want one of you to read this paragraph loudly for me. Okay, I want you to read this paragraph loudly for me. Very good, Ilma and Mehek. I can see both your books. Amazing. Good job. With that, I'm going to ask Mehek, can you please unmute yourself and read this out for me? Mehek? Oh, I lost them, I feel. Yes, I'm going to ask, since Mehek cannot hear me, I'm going to ask Farzana, can you unmute yourself and read this out for me?
In the meanings why the Arabian power had region in the
Emerged.
emerged East Arabian rules turned to town India to
Expand.
expand their empire. The Arabian general is what is this?
General Muhammad bin Qasim.
Bil Qasim attempt to the singer
Sindh province.
improving in the 18th century.
Century. That's
By
it. That's it, Farzana. Farzana, that's it. Thank you so much for reading it out, Farzana. Thank you so much. I'm going to ask Iram to continue reading. Unmute yourself, Iram, and continue reading. Unmute yourself, Iram, and continue reading. Yeah. Go ahead.
8th century. In the 8th century, wait. Didi, can I read?
No, Zainab, we'll wait for our friend, okay, to read.
8th century.
Iram, can you put your camera off so that we can hear you better? Okay, I don't think I can hear Iram. So I'm going to ask Zoha to unmute herself and start reading. Yes, Zoha, go ahead, unmute yourself and start reading.
Yes. Notwithstanding the resistance of King Dahir, he conquered the
Conquered.
province of Sindh due to conquer the province of Sindh. Due to this campaign, the Arabs came into political contact with India for the first time. In the period that followed, Turks, Afghans, and Mughals from Central Asia came to India and established their power here.
Amazing. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, guys, remember we had made this table. Who was the first person who came to power? The first power that came in India. The first power that came in India. Yes, Zoha. The first power that came in India.
Muhammad bin Qasim.
Very good. Muhammad bin Qasim. Okay. So he became the leader of the Arabs, and you will write the leader Muhammad bin Qasim here. Okay. Just saying, you are not going to write it now. Didi will give you time to write. So leader Muhammad bin Qasim. Now we are going to go back to reading this, and you're going to tell me which region, kaun si region ko he had attacked or conquered. Which region he had conquered. You're going to read this and you're going to tell me which region had he conquered. Which region had he conquered? Guys, one of you is not on mute. Can you please mute yourself? Yes. Which region had he conquered? I can see that Shifa has raised her hand. Yes, Shifa. No? Can you guess? Can you read this and tell me which region had he conquered? कौन सी region को उन्होंने attack या conquer किए थे?
Attacked.
हाँ? Attacked. Which region had he attacked? Good job, Zainab Kausar. Zainab Kausar has already given me the answer.
S-I-N-D-H.
S-I-N-D-H. Good job. Very nice. Sindh. Okay, Sindh. All right. Amazing. Sindh is a region that he had attacked. Amazing. So here you are going to write down Sindh. Okay. Now important points. Important points में you're going to write down anything that is important according to you, that you feel is important. Okay. So now I'm going to read it again for you, and Didi is going to pick what Didi thinks is an important. Next exercise is you are going to do that for yourself. Now Didi is doing it for you, so see what Didi is doing. Okay. Okay. In the meanwhile, the Arab power had emerged in Middle East. Arab rulers turned towards India to expand their empire. Okay, they came to India so that they can expand their empire. The Arab general Muhammad bin Qasim. Okay, Muhammad bin Qasim is a leader. Attacked the Sindh. Okay, the region that he attacked was Sindh. Got it. Notwithstanding the resistance of King Dahir, he conquered the province of Sindh. ठीक है. Dahir was there. He conquered that province. Due to these campaigns, the Arab came into political contact with India for the first time. Oh, so because of Muhammad bin Qasim, Arab came to contact with India for the first time. This was the first time the Arabs came to India. I think that information is very important. So I'm going to write down that Arabs were the power. Muhammad bin Qasim was the leader. Region that they invaded, मतलब जहाँ पर उन लोग आके attack किए वो Sindh province. And the important point that I think is Arab came into political contact with India for the first time. This was their first time when they came in India. Okay. So is that, so see, this is my important point. Were you able to understand this? Yeah? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Amazing. Farzana was able to understand. Zainab was able to understand. Aisha was able to understand. Shifa was able to understand. I'm waiting for a few more. Does anybody have a doubt? Iram was able to understand. Zoya was able to understand. Okay. Does anyone have a doubt? किसी को doubt है? All right, all of you were able to understand. Okay, now what we are going to do is, I did for Arabs, you guys are going to do, first of all, you're going to take 1 minute to quickly write this down in your notebook. Quickly write this down in your notebook. You had made a table, no? Complete this table quickly. Put leader, Muhammad bin Qasim, put region invaded Sindh, and important points, this. Quickly write this down in your table that you had drawn earlier. Take 1 minute, quickly write this down. I can see that Shifa has already started writing this down. Habib, I'm waiting for you to write this down. Oh, Habib is already written. Amazing. Farzana is writing this down. Sabah is writing this down. Aisha is writing this down. Zoya and Iram are writing this down. Joseph is writing this down. Amazing. Zoha is writing. Nosheen is also writing. Zoya is also writing. Amazing. Ilma, Mustaqim, Faizan, and Vivek and Fardeen. I can't see you, but I hope you guys are writing. Once you're done, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Sabah, I think you will have to join again, okay? Zoha is done. Okay. Nosheen, do you have a doubt? Unmute yourself and ask Nosheen.
दीदी गलती से हो गया था, मेरा हो गया.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Nosheen. Shifa is done. Waiting for Iram and Zoya. Huzef. Waiting for Sanya. Aisha Imran. Waiting for Ilma and Mehek. Mustaqim, Faizan, Vivek and Fardeen to give me a thumbs up. If you are done writing, give me a thumbs up. Uy, ma. Take 20 more seconds, guys. Quickly write this down. I don't think this takes a lot of time to write. Okay. 10 seconds, guys, and then we are going to move on. Okay. All right. I hope you guys are done. Now what Didi has done, I have shared these 4 pictures in your WhatsApp group. Okay. These 4 pictures in your WhatsApp group. What you are going to do is you're going to read these pictures and you're going to fill the rest of the data. For Turks, Afghans and Mughals, you are going to fill the data. You are going to fill the data. For just like Arabs ke liye, Didi had filled the data like this. Didi had completed the table like this. You are going to go through all these pictures and you are going to complete the table for Turks, Afghans and Mughals. Okay? What you are going to do, can somebody repeat after what I just said? Yes, Habib, unmute yourself.
Miss, you will send photo on WhatsApp and fill the table data like
Yes.
ये Arab and send photo on WhatsApp.
Yes, I have sent a photo on WhatsApp. Okay, what you're going to do is I'm going to make you divide you in 2 groups. Okay, that group is going to come together and you're going to fill out the data. Okay, so give me 2 seconds. Until then, be ready with your picture on the screen, and then I'm just going to divide you in 2 groups and then you're going to quickly solve this down.
दीदी क्लास कब खत्म होएगी?
Class, oh, Class will end in the next 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I've divided you in two groups. You are going to now follow the group.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Samya didi, you are mute. क्या है दीदी ये?
I'm so
हाँ
sorry.
समय दीदी आ गए.
Okay.
हम
alright.
लोग को
Yes.
हाँ
Okay.
हम लोग को मिलकर ये जो भी बाकी है तीन का लीडर, इन्वेडेड रीजन और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स निकालने टीम में.
अच्छा ओके.
So much, Faizan, for clarifying that. Didi gave you a table. Okay, and Didi is given you 4 photos. You are going to see that photos. Those photos are there on WhatsApp. Okay, we are going to fill the rest of the information and then we'll discuss it. Okay, so we will
Okay.
take. Okay, we will take time till it's 2:14. We'll take time till 2:20 to write it in our notebooks and then we'll discuss it. Okay, is that clear? Show me a thumbs up if that's clear, if what I'm saying is clear to you.
दीदी can you repeat?
Yes, I will repeat. Okay, Shifa. So Didi had given you a table, right? You remember that table, right?
Yes दीदी.
Yes. Didi is also giving you 4 photos. You have to read through those 4 photos and you have to fill the rest of the information in the tables. Is that clear? Joseph has understood. Okay, Sania has understood. All right, guys. We are going to take some time. We are going to write it down and then we will discuss it. Is that okay? All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Joseph.
जी मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर करा.
Okay, thank you, Joseph. Guys, you are all are in 7th standard. Okay, can you please act like your age and not annotate? Okay, because I cannot stop Josef's screen's annotation. So can you please make sure you're not annotating? Okay, Josef is doing that to help us. Josef is doing that to help us in okay, am I audible now? Yes. Josef is sharing his screen to help us out. Please make sure you're not annotating. Otherwise, Josef will have to stop screen sharing. Please make sure you're reading these 4 photos and you're filling in the table. Josef,
दीदी
yes, yes.
आप भी स्क्रीन शेयर करो क्योंकि सब लोग करेंगे तो फिर बोलेंगे मैं करूंगा ये करेगा वो करेगा तो.
Okay, the problem with that is, Faizan, I don't have the 4 photos with me. It's in my mobile and I'm working from the.
दीदी मैंने ना स्क्रीनशॉट मार के रखा था इसके लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ.
Joseph has the screenshot, so I will let Joseph screen share.
दीदी मैंने भी स्क्रीनशॉट मारा इसलिए मैं भी कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, okay.
विवेक मत अपनी चला.
चल ठीक है भाई तू चला ले.
Yes, yes. Joseph, can you please, Vivek, please let him share. Okay. Let's not do this. Okay.
आया
Thank
दीदी.
you. Thank you. Okay. We'll take 1 more minute to finish finish our table and then we will share. Okay. Okay, Zoha is not understanding. Zoha, I will explain it to you again. Didi had given us a table. The table had certain information in it, and also we have these 4 photos. No, Sabha, we don't have to write everything. We have to organize the information in these 4 photos into those tables. Okay, all right.
Didi, tell to Joseph stop annotating.
Okay, guys, please stop annotating.
दीदी मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ अपने आप ही हो रहा है
Okay. Joseph, stop screen sharing. Okay, I'm gonna disable screen sharing for everyone. All right. We are all going to look at our own photos from the WhatsApp group and fill the information. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
सोमिया मिस
Yes. Arzu Didi is not here.
सोमिया मिस
Yes. Say.
अभी करने का ये
Yes, Baba, you have to do it just now. You know what to do, right? You have to fill the table according to the information which Didi is given to you. Okay.
अभी
Message Faizan, and then you're going to tell your group, and they will then complete their tables too. Okay, all of you can together do this. This is a teamwork. Okay.
Arzu, I wanted to ask, are they coming in the large group and discussing, or they are also discussing
No,
in
no.
only
This
the takeout?
is the group. They will be discussing in this group only.
Okay.
Okay. They will be completing the table in this group only. Together they have to complete. I just explained them how to do it again. They just have to read the passage and then they have to just put the data in. But all of them need to do it together. Yeah. I'll come.
Okay, guys. Have all of you finished your table? Give me a thumbs up if you finished your table.
No.
Hi, Didi is back. Were you able to do it? Were you able to do it?
Sonia, you are in unmute.
Yes, I know.
Please unmute yourself.
Yes, guys. Did all of you finish your table? Okay, Shifa finished her table. Others, have you finished your table? Give me a thumbs up if you are done. Once everyone is done, we will start discussing the table. Thank you, Shifa. Are others done? Please give me a thumbs up if you are done. Okay, Zoya is done. Amazing. All right. Okay. You have 4 more minutes left. Guys, you can also discuss with each other. You can tell each other what have you written in your tables.
Samari, can I share or tell answer?
Yes, you can share. Yes, you can share.
Didi, Mughals leader are Babur.
Hmm.
And I tell you more. 1 minute.
Yes. You can raise your hand if anybody wants to share their answers.
Didi, I cannot find the Turks.
Okay. Faizan has posted it on the group. Thank you for helping us, Faizan. Thank you for sharing, Faizan. Thank you very much for sharing, Faizan. Okay. Guys, if anybody else also wants to share, please share your answers. You can raise your hand, share it in the chat box.
Didi, which one is the Sultan Northena? Which one is that? That is of Afghans.
Which one are you talking about?
Sultan North is written na.
North.
Sultan in the north.
Sultan.
Yes, Didi, I got it for Afghans.
Okay, okay.
I'm finding.
दीदी क्लास कब खत्म होएगी?
I'll just ask Arzu Didi, okay?
Hello. Were you able to do it? Were these guys able to do it?
Slightly.
I was not able to do Afghans invaded region and Mughals invaded region. बाकी सब हो गया मेरा.
All right. Okay, guys. What we are going to do is we are going to come back in the next class and we are going to complete the table. Okay. I know this is the first time you guys are in the breakout room. This is the first time for Didi also to put you in the breakout room. So what we are going to do, everybody, we are going to come back in a large group and we are going to discuss what we did today and then we are going to close out. Okay. So everybody come back in the large group. Hi guys, amazing. Can you hear Didi?
Yes.
Okay, so I know that you guys have done a very good job. I know that you guys were confused a little and everything, but this was Didi's first time also to put you in two different groups. So what we are going to do is we are going to come back again in the next class and try to complete this table. If you get the time to do it at home, please do and come so that it's easier for you to then discuss it with your friends. Okay. All right. For all those of you who have just joined in, I'm saying that I have sent you the passages. I'm also going to send you the table. Try to do it at home by yourselves. And if you cannot do it, we will come back in the next class and also try to do it again. Okay? Am I clear? Does that make sense? Yeah? All right. Thank you so much, guys. It was amazing to have all of you in the classroom. Loved the responses that you gave and the way you were thinking today. Really liked how you were thinking today. Out of the box. Very good job. Say bye to your friends.
Bye, Didi.
Bye.
I like the team you make and divided us.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Faizan. Bye. Thank you.